Yo, yo, what up, YouTube? Shit. Getting ready for school. Already packed up. Boom. You know what I'm saying? I got my shit. Today I'm gonna bring my laptop today to be able to edit some videos at the school, cause the editing shit, you know, definitely takes some time. That's no joke. I'll see y'all in the next shot. Shit, made it to the school. Now we're just waiting for class to start. My boy right here. Let's get it.
Go ahead. Tell her.
Before Barbie wants me to tell the whole class that for yesterday I forgive her for what she did. When it comes to the test and the study guide, she's forgiven. All is well.
Who really cares? Well, she's forgiven. You want forgiven? You hear that word forgiven?
You didn't lose sleep over it?
No, it's the way she. Did I leave?
Yeah, today her arthritis is acting up. She's talking about it. It bothered her.
No, I didn't. But listen to this. I didn't lose no sleep. I'm gonna tell you what I did. I took me some Tylenol, and the Tylenol put me to sleep.
Alright, we're gonna have Jose do a low contour fade on Eli. Most students at his and hers barber school. Right now he's caping the client. He said Kyle. So right now he's just debulking with a one open.
And it's like tilted. They're tilted a little bit.
Hey, that cut was clean, right? That cut was clean. I was like, damn. Take it out.
Huh?
Show it to me.
The banana?
I don't know.
Hey, that's for me.
Oh, shit.
I was like, huh?
Thank you.
Now get this a dirty banana was just yellow like
Yeah.
long ago.
Oh shit, it oxidized. It oxidized, man.
Damn.
Hey, bananas be fire on frosted flakes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I used to do that all the time when I was little, my bro.
The fuck? That
Damn. He's like, I got it now.
What's up, nigga?
You get right with me.
All right, go ahead. Do what you're doing again.
It's already neat. This is sit out for me.
Hey, let me get that next strip. Wow, that's beautiful. Look how straight that is.
To go.
How straight that next strip is. Hell yeah. Dang, that's a clean ass neck strip.
Hey, what's this?
You see that?
Yeah, crispy.
Is this aluminum?
I think so. Yeah. Because it doesn't rust. It corrodes. Before? Bedhead and shit.
You gotta do your bed.
I'm about to hook this motherfucker up. My homies. Other homies. Alright, let's do it.
You fucking your shit. Oh. It looks fucked, right? I don't even think Louis can fix that.
Nah, you're capping.
Nah, yeah, it's fucked. Oh my god.
You're capping.
That is like a level -1 made that card. A newborn made that shit on there.
They capping, right, Louis?
Louis, don't say nothing.
No.
Just keep pressing.
Nah, yeah, Louis got it, Yeah.
Damn.
You probably like got half of your time left.
Yeah, right.
Y'all suck. Here's why I'm gonna rush that you got half the time left.
If Alan can do it, you can do it. Come on.
Oh yeah, facts. Nah, real shit.
The whole ball fake? He did a whole
Bro, he did it
ball
in like
fake.
7 minutes. No cap, bro. No fucking cap.
Sweat.
I think he even used the razor.
He didn't even sweat.
Damn, that's crazy.
There was like what? One like two.
It was. Look at his face. You can see the destruction.